Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush. And today we're going to be getting into something that I've been waiting to review, and I honestly don't know why it took me so long. I swear things just, they just roll off. Like I have plans and I make plans and things just roll off. But you know what? I'm in it today and we're in it to win it. So today we're going to be reviewing the Temptu Perfect Canvas Highlight and Glow Starter Set. So if you are interested in learning a little bit about this set, getting that swatches, seeing it on the skin and all that good stuff, then please keep on watching. Alright, so as you can already tell, the background is a little bit different in the room I'm filming in, and that's because I'm in a transitioning phase in my life. No, but I am not filming in my usual studio, but you know what? Enough of that stuff. If you do hear background noise, just know that my kids are still awake and they are playing. So you might hear some of that, all right? And I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about that. I'm a mom. All right. So today, Temptu Perfect Canvas Highlight and Glow Starter Set. Yeah, girl. This set right here. Yes, we are going to dive into some specs. So for that, we're going to hit the good old cell phone, hit that interweb and whatnot. And we're going to get some facts on this set. So this set you can find at temptupro.com, the specific set. The highlighters are available in the pod formula on the regular Temptu website and also on the Pro website. But today we're talking about the starter set, okay? Because you get a good value with these starter sets, all right? Now this starter set retails for about $60, and that's on temptupro.com. I will have it linked in the description box below for you. The set includes 6 shades. So that is 3 Perfect Canvas highlighter shades as well as 3 AirGlow shades. And we're just gonna go through what those shades are right now, okay? So I am on the website, and this set comes with champagne, rose gold, and copper, and those 3 are the highlighter shades in the Perfect Canvas formula. So it describes champagne as an iridescent pearl color, best for fair to tan skin tones. Then we have rose gold, which is a peachy pink color with rosy gold reflux. It's best for light to dark skin tones. And then we have copper, which is a rich copper color with red and golden pearls, which is best for medium to deep skin tones. Then we go into the AirGlow, which is the light effects for the skin. So what you can do with the AirGlow formula is pretty much give the skin an inner glow by spraying it all over the face underneath the foundation. That's originally what this product was used for. Of course, airbrush makeup and makeup in general, you use it for whatever you want to use it for, wherever it works. This is what it's originally used for. Anyways, the shades that come in this set are Warm Glow, Sunset Glow, and Amber Glow. Now the website describes Warm Glow as a combination of bronze and tan opalescent shimmers to create a neutral warm bronze effect. Then we have Sunset Glow, which combines gold and red shimmers to create a peachy warm effect. And then we have Amber Glow, which combines copper and gold shimmers to create a warm golden effect. Okay, so multiple uses, different skin tones, different whatever you need it for. You got everything you're gonna need in this one set. So the set, once again, altogether is $60, but it is a $90 value if everything is all broken up. So you do save quite a bit of money purchasing the set. So each of the bottles in this set is a 1/4 ounce, which means it's a 1/4 ounce size, which is perfect for sampling and testing it out so that you can pick and choose the shades that you like or that you will use, I guess, more commonly on certain clients within your demographic. So that being said, this set is really perfect to go ahead and give you a nice way to play with all of the colors to see which ones will work best for you. And like I said, it's a good value because it's cheaper than buying them all by themselves. So the highlighters and the AirGlows can be purchased individually. You can get it in the pod form or you can get it in the bottle form. I believe the bottles come in the 1/4 ounce or the 1 ounce size, I believe. Don't quote me, I'll have everything listed in the description box below for you guys, you know. Gotta have the facts down there, okay? The facts are always down there. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the swatches. All right, so for swatches, we are gonna be applying the swatches to the face. As you can see, the rest of my makeup is done except for foundation because guess what? Honey's gonna be swatching each shade on the face and then wiping it off. So I don't wanna go ahead and do my foundation because then I'd have to do it so many times. So we're just gonna go ahead and swatch it on the skin, erase into the next one till we get through all of these shades. There are 6 in total, so let's just Let's just hope my skin doesn't get raw from this, okay? Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start off by applying the highlighter shades. Now this is highlighter shades in the Perfect Canvas formula. Temptu does offer highlighter shades in the SB formula also. I am a huge fan of the Perfect Canvas formula, which is perfect because that's the formula that actually comes in the Highlight and Glow Starter set. So we're gonna go from lightest to darkest. So the first shade that I have to apply here is Champagne. We're just gonna give it a good shake. And today to apply the swatches, I am gonna be using my Temptu Air and my AirPod Pro. And then I'm just gonna take a few drops into the cup here. And that should be enough to go ahead and give the skin a very beautiful luminous glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it from back here, and then I'll go ahead and show you a close-up after each shade. That way you know what's gonna happen, you know what's going on. So first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and click my Temptu Air on just by holding the down button like so. I have it on speed setting 3. Anytime I'm using shimmers, I typically like to have it on speed setting 3 just because I find that I get a smoother spray on speed setting 3, you know. So I'm just gonna test it out on my tissue. Looks good, so let's go ahead and just pop it on the cheekbone, okay? So we're just gonna layer that baby on so you could see the glow happening. Yes, you see it build? I know you see that. Look at that. Yeah, there's no glow, all the glow. Okay, so I'm going to show you a close-up of this once I have all the product out so you can see it up close. Okay, and that's about it. So we're just going to go ahead and use the air to dry. Close-up time. So I did go ahead and remove it. There's nothing on the scan. And we're gonna go in with the next highlighter shade, which is Rose Gold. Okay, so this one's giving me a little bit of trouble. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click it off, take my little detailing brush, give a little cleaner to the tip. Just make sure I clean the tip there. I'm just gonna, there we go, spray away. As you can see, I'm layering this up heavy so you can go ahead and get a good view of what it looks like. And this is the Rose Gold. Now that we're done with Rose Gold, we're gonna go into the third and final Perfect Canvas highlighter shade in this set, which is Copper. Now that we're done swatching the Perfect Canvas highlighters, we're going to dive into the AirGlow. So the first shade I'm going to be swatching for you today is this one here, and this is, of course, Amber Glow. I hella forgot the name when I lifted it up. So we're going to be swatching Amber Glow first. Yeah. Now that we're done with Amber Glow, let's go on to the next shade, which is Sunset Glow, right here. This is very peachy. Okay, and last but not least, we have Warm Glow. Alright, and that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, of course, as well as entertaining, because you know we want to be entertaining on this channel. Anyways, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you found this video to be any of those things. It helps me out a ton. And remember, as always, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you choose to subscribe today, or if you are already subscribed, don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.